Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do want to subscribe. If you are old too, you're welcome once again. Today's video is about how to prepare a very delicious gizzard stew for the family or yourself. So sit down and relax to enjoy. I start with the steaming of my gizzard. To steam my gizzard, I need garlic, pepper, onions, green pepper, the big one, and also oil and a little of water. Because I don't like pepper, I take just 2 pieces of pepper. But if you know you like pepper, it means your pepper has to increase, and then you blend them out thoroughly. So the gizzard was already prepared by washing it, cutting it into pieces according to how I want it in the stew. You add salt to give it a taste, but too much of the salt will spoil the stew. So just add a little, then you put it on fire and cover it. After, you blend your chopped tomatoes. After blending, you pour it in a bowl and pour a little water to rinse it and pour it in the tin tomatoes container. Our gizzard is ready, so we'll start the stew by putting the saucepan on fire, pouring an amount of oil in the saucepan, and then you spice your oil with a little of onion and also some of the chopped green pepper to spice the oil. Then you pour out your spice, your traditional spice. I love traditional spice, which is the garlic, the ginger, the onion, and what I did to steam the gizzard. Then when it's on fire for a while, you then pour your blended tomatoes in the saucepan and you stir to leave it on fire for a while, for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes is too much, for like 15 minutes. And then you stir again. You add your tin tomatoes to it, and then you stir to blend with the things in the stew, and you leave it for a while. Please, you leave it for a while, for like 20 minutes before you pour water in it. The water, it's the remaining of the tomato paste that was left in the bowl, and you leave it on fire for like 15 minutes. I don't really like cubes, so I use small parts of the cube whenever I'm preparing stew. But if you don't like it at all, you don't add it. So then I'm pouring my steamed gizzard into the stew, and then my gizzard itself into the stew, and then I stir, leave it for a while. I add pepper to give it extra taste, and also to those who like pepper if they are eating my stew, and I add the onion to give it a final taste. The stew, it's done. This is your gizzard stew. So simple. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial on how to prepare a gizzard stew. Do well to subscribe, like and share this video, comment below. Thank you.